Hi everyone, welcome to workshop number 1. For workshop number 1, we're going to be focused on economics, the concept, the study of economics, how economics influences the decisions that we have to make. You'll find that this course is very interesting because it'll provide a foundation for the role of economics in our daily decisions. Economics is looking at how we make decisions given our scarce resources. So when you look at economics, you notice that we're focused on how do we make appropriate decisions given the scarcity and complexity of the resources that we have. So for this week, I want you to focus on the following. You're going to have your devotional, which will be due, as your initial post will be due by the 4th day, 2 responses by the end of the workshop. You have your workshop 1 quiz that's located in my Econ Lab. You have the post-reading homework. That'll be located in my Econ Lab. You should be reading chapters 1 through 4 and chapter 6. You have the Apple iPhone discussion, which we will review. You will need to make sure to have your initial post by day 4 and 2 peer responses by the end of the workshop. You'll have the paper with the graph. That you'll submit in the Dropbox, due by the end of the workshop. And you'll have the market experiment. That's in my Econ Lab as well. So now, with the discussion board, let's review some of the requirements and what would help you to do best discussion board. For the discussion board, you should focus on chapter 1 and 2 of your text. You want to look at the 3 basic economic questions. The 3 basic economic questions are: what goods and services should be produced, for whom should they be produced, and how should they be produced? You want to answer those specific questions in a global economy. Here are the questions that you're focused on. These right here. And when you look at these questions, you want to focus on having an AP formatted in-text citation and reference to support your work. That's very important. You want to make sure in your initial post that you have at least 3 paragraphs to really estimate those particular questions that you're looking at. It'll really help you. If you want to put those questions in there as well, you can do that, as I can assist as well. If you need me to pre-grade your work, let me know, as I'm more than willing to do that. But you want to use the economic terms that we've been focusing on. You're going to be graded on the following: the quality of your posts, the quality of your posts, your content development, your timeliness, did you post your initial post by day 4, and your interaction to your peers. You can interact with your peers or any of the questions that I post as well, as that can count as a peer response. If you need any help or if you need me to pre-grade any of your work, let me know, but I look forward to your effort.